Hi everyone, it's Mr. Reynoso, and today I'm going to show you how to write the lowercase letter O. Let me start by writing my name at the top. Ooh, with green this time. My name is Jeremy. Okay, O is a plain line letter. Plain line round letter. It starts at the plain line just like a letter C. So point at the plain line, trace back, and then down to the grass line, and then back around up to the plain line. Just like that. Alright, let's go to trace these lowercase letter O. Start at the plain line, curve back just like a C, but curve back up again to the plain line. Let's do that again. Start at the plain line, curve backwards, go down to the grass line, curve back up to the plain line. Curve around and back up. Curve backwards, down to the grass line, back up here. Start at the plain line, don't forget. Okay, start at the plain line, curve around, go back up to the plain line. Let me switch to blue. Curve around to the grass line, back up to the plain line. Start at the plain line, down to the grass line, up again to the plain line. Let's see if I accidentally start at the skyline. What happens? Curve around, down to the grass line, up. What's wrong with that? Ooh, I think it is too big again. It is too big. Let me erase that and then do it the correct way. Start at the plain line, curve down to the grass line, back to the plain. Okay, curve around, back down to the grass line, curve back up to the plain line, and that is how you practice lowercase letter O. Thank you for practicing.